Hey guys, what's going on? It's Monday, it's about 3:30 at the moment. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for a trade to set up at the moment. Pretty much what I see is a double top to the 0.77, strong resistance up here. Price did create a lower low and now it's setting up for a lower high. Now this is the impulsive movement. I feel like this is a strong impulsive movement to start off a trend downwards. If you watch my weekly forecast and review, I'll explain why I'm sort of thinking bearish. But pretty much, yeah, price made a lower low. Now it's on its way to make a lower high. Now if it rejects off the 0.618, which is this spot right here, I will be looking for like a movement down and then I'll probably sell, placing stops above 0.77. So yeah, that's my quick trade idea. On the larger picture, it sort of looks like this. Yeah, if you go onto my weekly forecast and review, you would sort of understand why I'm thinking this. Alright, so I just finished playing a game of Overwatch. It was glorious. I'm gonna try and fit in a workout. Like, I'm feeling hungry right now, but I know if I eat, then I'm probably not gonna work out today. So I'll quickly smash out like 100 burpees or something, and then go in and eat. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I'm dreading this right now. I don't like burpees at all. I had a really intense workout the other day that had way too many, and I realized how horrible I am at them, so I'm gonna try and do as many as I can. Alright, that was 20. I'm gassed.
About cryptocurrency, we talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, we talk about Dogecoin. He does talk about Dogecoin. He's already.
Hey guys, what's going on? So currently it's like 1 o'clock or like 12:47, yeah, nearly 1 a.m. I just haven't slept yet because I'm waiting on this chart because like price is consolidating a little bit. I kind of want to break below a level before I can sleep comfortably. Otherwise, if it doesn't break through this, then I can't sleep well. So I'm in 2 trades at the moment. I'm currently just waiting for it to break this level here because I really want to sleep. It's nearly 1 a.m. and I don't think I can sleep knowing that this is just going to be ranging all night. So usually in situations like these, pretty much I just set my stops to break even or like a little bit in profit or something, just following structure. And it always just takes me out and then reverses and makes big profits afterwards. So I don't know if I should do what I usually do and just set it to break even and go to sleep. I mean, if I wake up with nothing, then it's better than losing something. But at the same time, I don't know, if I was to be awake, I would leave it open. So I don't know if I should be taking this with the same mindset as if I was actually awake when I'm going to be sleeping for the next 8 hours. This trade has currently been open for about 6 hours or so. So yeah, I don't know. I think I should be fine, but I don't want to jinx myself at the same time. Pretty much if I can just get a close below this, I'll be pretty happy. But as you can see, it's just ranging in this small channel at the moment. And this is what the bigger picture looks like. Pretty much we had price consolidating up here. Price broke down, created a lower low. Created a double top at this level here. Then we see a lower high and pretty much I'm looking for that drop down. But look how much consolidation there was just in this area and it was kind of pissing me off. So guys, this is the result of the trade. As you see, as soon as I went to sleep, which was around here, price did start making its way up, created a higher low, and then shot up, took my both my trades out to the pip, and then price made its way back down. And as of current time, I mean, it would have stopped me out anyway if I was to hold on to it, but yeah. This is kind of annoying because I woke up this morning sometime here. I would have just closed the trade if I saw something like that. Like I wasn't too confident in it, and yeah, it would have worked out in my favor. But I was gonna set these to break even, but every time I do, it gets stopped out and goes back in my favor dramatically. So yesterday I decided to take the risk and just leave them open, and yeah, I got taken out for 0.3% or yeah, 0.3%, so not even 0.5%. So yeah, I managed my risk well on both these trades. Hey guys, so I just opened up a trade for today. It's currently Tuesday, so yeah, there's a short position here. Pretty much this is the trade that got taken out of last night, and I told myself that I'm not going for shorts until I get some sort of break of this line. Now we did have a strong impulsive movement, moving averages crossing over, and a rejection of both moving averages to the downside. So yeah, strong close, very nice movement. So I entered short. I'm trying to ride this down to 0.74, which is a significant way down, but I did only put a 0.1 lot size on this trade. If it starts going in my direction, starts making some nice retracements and way down, then I'll start adding on to this trade. But for now, I'm just gonna see how this plays out. I'm feeling that if it does cross both moving averages on the 15-minute, so if it does close above here, I'm gonna take the trade out early just to reduce my risk. Alright, we got 50 subscribers. So this is my trade. Currently we're in some drawdown. I've seen price close above both of these moving averages on the 15-minute time frame. Now that would be a signal to exit the trade, but pretty much I saw that it did push up. There was a strong wick down. Here there was also some bearish resistance. So now it's up to this last candle. We'll see what happens. Pretty much if it crosses above here, then I will definitely manually take the trade out. But at the moment, I still feel like it could head down just for the sake that it didn't create another high. It still technically is a lower high. So we'll see if there's a strong push down. If price does break through this area, so I'll move this up here. If price does break through there, then I'm probably gonna scale in for a second trade. But yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Also, this is awesome. I just posted a random video about the AUD JPY breakdown, and it's already got like nearly 30 views in just 2 hours. If you look at my other videos, there's some like 23, they're all under 30, but that was like, it took time to rank those up, like about a week, 27, 22, 23. But yeah, this video is performing really well, and yeah, I'm really happy with that. Alright guys, I'm about to sleep. As you can see, what happened was price did stop here at this resistance, couldn't find enough power to break through, so it dropped and created a new lower low. So upon this creation of the lower low, I decided to enter on a new trade. So I'm scaling in. I've set both my stops to just above this resistance. If I wanted to be a little bit more strict, I'd set my break, like my stop loss, to above this line here, this trend line, because if price breaks above this trend line, then most likely it's flying back up. So I don't want it to break this trend line, but I'm playing it a little bit more safe because, statistics show, or my own statistics show, that when I do leave these overnight, they tend to, come to the break-even zone and fall back down. They don't usually crack all the way into my stop loss, although it did yesterday. I've still got those charts here, but pretty much I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm going to see how this plays out. I'm leaving both of these open. I'm not moving stops to break even or anything. I'm leaving them up here. So we'll see what happens in the morning. Hey guys, what's going on? So last night I left off with my trade open. Pretty much what happened was price dropped 40 pips into my favor. And I was asleep throughout all this time here. And when I woke up, it was pretty much back to exactly where it was when I did go to sleep. So that was a little bit disappointing, but I do see that there's good, strong, pushes to the downside. This is on the 15-minute chart at the moment. You may see that, you might see that price made a higher high over here and also broke above the 2 moving averages. So why am I not out of this trade yet? Well, simply because if we go into the 2 hour, you will see that all price did was it dropped through this support, made its impulsive move, and it's currently making a retracement. If we look up here, price did touch this 7 moving average. Still, it has yet to touch this resistance or this moving average. It does have a chance to, but that's why my stop loss is set above all 3 of those. So it gives me the chance, that price might bounce off either one of those. Because yeah, it's not going to catch exactly this one. You never really know. So I played it safe. This horizontal red line is pretty much the 7600 level. So on the larger time frames, you can sort of see it's a area of support. So we'll see if price wants to break through that. Don't really know at the moment. We did have a strong push. I'm gonna quickly check the retracement level. That might be a 0.382, and if so, I'll be a little bit more cautious.
but for now I see price possibly going to the downside unless it like breaks. Yeah, if it takes out my stops, then yeah. Hey guys, what's going on? So I just opened up a new account with a new broker for reasons I will explain afterwards, because I'm playing Overwatch right now. Also, I just placed some investments in some cryptocurrency, and I haven't been doing that for a short amount of months at the moment. But yeah, I'll talk about that in a sec. I'm starting. Yo, so we closed the other trades at a small loss. Pretty much overall today we're minus 0.5%. I entered way too early on this damn trade and it's stressing me out. I should just take it out as a profit at the moment, but I did see a lower high here. I saw a strong crack to the downside. Tried again. The DXY is trying to push higher highs. If it can crack above and, you know, close at a higher high from here, pretty much saying that it won't be a double top. And if we see the price of gold crack below this support, then those two things will be in our favor and we could see price melt. That's the only reason why I haven't gotten out of it. Now I do have to go to sleep soon, so I'm thinking about setting stops to break even, just because this was a horrible trade which I should not have taken. So even if I lose out on it, I don't really care as long as it's break even. I don't want to lose unnecessary like money that I didn't really need to, all because of stupid choice making. Anyways, I'll see what happens. Alright, I pretty much just closed this at break even. Now let's see what happens. I bet you it's just gonna melt from here. So yeah, standard stuff. This is what we're starting our day with. What is actually important? I'm gonna go make my coffee, we're gonna do a whole bunch of work, and I'll probably return and answer this question. Got some fresh trade ideas for today. I'm probably gonna screen record and just go through it a little bit to give you guys some insight. And I have some exciting news regarding the Aussie yen. So yes, stay keen for that. And I also got some news regarding the yen. So yeah, as you can see, this is a Japanese news website. I am seriously considering trading the Aussie yen. So quick breakdown, we see that we're in a zone of consolidation. I drew this up, let's delete this. So quick rundown on the Aussie yen. Pretty much this is the daily time frame. We see that price, the daily candles are stuck within this consolidation range, while the wicks are forming like this bullish flag. Like, I'm so sick of the names of these things, like I just know them by their characteristics. Just this thing here. So I'm waiting until price breaks both the box to the downside and the trend line, or you know, the other way around, going upwards. Once I see price break both, then I'm going in long. If it's breaking up, if it's breaking down, then I'm going short. I've got my targets for long and I have my targets for short. Well, I haven't really drawn that one in yet, but it will be something like this here. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just got stopped out of a small trade today. Stupid trade, I know. Very small risk though. Pretty much from here to here, I drew a Fibonacci retracement zone, which is about here. And pretty much what I'm seeing is a rejection of the 0.618. I've seen moving averages cross. I'm seeing lower lows and lower highs. Sorry, just lower highs. There hasn't really been a lower low yet, like a solid one formed. Anyways, I'm just waiting for price to crack through this trend line, and once it does, I want it to break this small support which has been formed in this area. Once it does break there, I'm entering and yeah, going short until the next level. Hey guys, so last night I entered 3 trades. Yes, I did scale in twice on this one original trade idea. I'll probably go over it later when I'm on my computer, but I pulled out here when I went to sleep, which was at like 4 AM. And yeah, I'm glad that I did that. Originally, I was planning to hold and just let it continue on its way down without setting any stops to break even. Now, price does look like it can still continue down. I don't really see any break of structure. I mean, I do see lower highs, possibly a lower low being created. The moving averages are crossed correctly. Price rejected the 20 moving average. So overall, this could come down and hit the original take profit. Now today is NFP, so I won't be trading, but look, I've still got no rush. I'm only about 4.5% down, I think. So, and I still got over a month. So I've got less than 10% to make in over a month. So no worries with that. I'm trading very small lot sizes right now, like 0.3, 0.25, lot sizes like that. I'll show you in a sec. So as you can see, these are the lot sizes that I'm trading with. Very small lot sizes. I'm taking this very slow, very easy. I have slightly changed my strategy, so I'm just working on that at the moment. And yeah, I feel like it's alright. I made horrible mistakes up this way, but hey, I feel like things are going to start working out really well soon. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for watching my FTMO Let's Go episode 8. I tried to switch it up this week and like just film throughout the week, show you the trades I take like before or after. I know it was a little bit all over the place. I'm still trying to get used to it. There's a lot of stuff that I'm working on right now for all of you, so it's a little bit hectic, it's a little bit crazy, but yeah, I've got an amazing video coming up in the next 2 weeks-ish. I'm reworking my entire schedule so that I can use my time more efficiently and get the best content out for all of you guys. Anyways, yeah, that's the end. If you guys have any, suggestions or any ideas, drop it in the comment section below. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.